Hey folks, this is a quick update video on the dry pour slab, and no major changes. A crack did form between the new slab and the existing slab, but as you recall from the first video I did, I treated the old slab with a mixture of dirt and vinegar, which actually created that crack on purpose. There's a little bit of damage here and there, but this is all work damage, like moving heavy things and dropping heavy things and kind of stuff that would damage concrete anyway. Floor jack damage right here that may not have happened to regular concrete, but it's hard to tell. Hard to tell on that one. But for the most part, it's holding up. What I really need it to do is stay flat and stay in the ground so we can park on it, and it's been doing that really well. So this is the beginning of fall, end of summer update, and we'll do another update at the beginning of winter. Thanks for joining us. Comment, like, subscribe, participate. Always remember to share. Do the important stuff that keeps us on the air. Follow us everywhere. And we'll see you next time.